So guys, this was easy enough to set up. This is the remote, and pretty much when you're ready to clean, you press this clean button here, the middle button, and you can also set the vacuum to go and time it basically, to basically start vacuuming at a certain time. And whenever you're ready to set the clock, you use these to increase the time and whatnot. Just trying to get the focus here. Okay, so right now I'm gonna turn it on just so you see how it works. And as you can see, the vacuum is sitting in the home dock there, and that is plugged to the wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and press clean here, and let's see what happens. It's running the home thing out of the way. And as you can see, the brush bristle there is spinning both left and right. Now, for this vacuum, it's best to have it on like solid floor or like wooden floor. And right now I have it on a carpet, so I'm not sure how well it cleans on a carpet. I don't think we have a thick carpet here. Let me get this stuff out the way. Let's see. Just gonna try to follow it there. And so it's doing its thing, it's going around. And I'm gonna try to see, okay, so here's a dirt right there. Another one. Well, we'll see how much dirt it's able to pick up. I think it caught a wire. Oops, 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 oops. Don't mind my intruding. So we've got some, trying to get you to see some dirt here. It's probably gonna back up here. So we've got some, see, like dog air. That's dirt. This is dirt here. This is dirt. Let's see if it picks those up. If it doesn't, well, let's just watch. Okay. I think it did. Okay. Move this out the way. It's still going. Alright, now the other feature I'm gonna test for you. Get out of there. So I'm gonna pick it up, and the next feature I'm gonna test is the home feature. And you see, once you pick it up, it actually stops working. So I'm gonna have it here, and we're gonna test the home feature.